Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine that healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's a perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment. Washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are, this unique expression of divine light and love, allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. That healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing. Allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose. Allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards. 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some really beautiful place. Perhaps one of the most beautiful places you've ever been, or one of your favorite places, some place where you allow yourself to be present to the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of creation. Allowing yourself to see some of the really good things that are here. Whether that's looking out over an ocean, or looking up at a beautiful blue sky, or a nighttime sky filled with stars, or trees, mountains, a garden, whatever it might be. Just allowing yourself to recognize there is so much good here, and it is here for you as much as anyone else, just like the oxygen you're breathing right now. Allow yourself to notice your breath. Recognize how important it is for you to breathe. And taking in that life-giving oxygen is not self-indulgent. It's necessary. It's your birthright. So is joy, health, wealth, happiness, success. Just like the oxygen you breathe, just like the stars up in the sky, it's here for you as much as anyone else. Just allow yourself to be aware of any old thoughts or beliefs about why you should limit that. Why you should limit your well-being with fear, with worry. Allow yourself to do it with curiosity rather than judgment, just asking yourself, why might I still hold on to any reason why I couldn't or shouldn't allow a greater experience of joy, of abundance, however you choose to define that. Allowing yourself again to pay attention to your breath. Take a big, deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Check in with yourself. Notice that you're doing fine even though you allowed more. Even though you allowed that experience of the universe letting you know, yes, it is fine for you to ask for more. You are worthy and deserving of that. Allowing yourself to be open to the possibility that all these good things that it's possible for you to experience are there for you just as much as this oxygen is. And you can handle life. Allowing yourself to recognize that you have what it takes to do what it takes to take care of yourself because you've been doing it every day of your life. Some days maybe not with perfect results, but good enough results such that you're still here. So allowing yourself to have more faith in yourself. Allowing yourself to be more and more open to a more joyful life as we go even deeper now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back up from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before, feeling much more open to wonderful things happening in your life, feeling a greater freedom to do those things that you can do, taking those actions that you can take to make things better and better, and allowing yourself to feel more joy along the way. And you'll naturally share that joy with others, so it's a win-win situation. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day again, powerfully moving forward into that ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. Now go back down to 0, which is always deep sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all of these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level, so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. And welcome back.